Yes. To all the people on my left hand side, are you all excited? Yes or no? Louder. To all the people on my right hand side, are you all excited? Once more, are you all excited? Okay, that's the spirit. Keep it up. Alright, then now we shall proceed with the first round of the Mr. KYF 2025 on the occasion of the 51st edition of the KPH Festival, which is presented by the Carbon Cultural Society. So, judges, are you ready? Just judges, no? Okay. Can we have the music, please? Sound engineer, can we have the music, please? Solo the money, the matching and day. With Chengsi Hangkong, non-relative tango. Winning a foreman, Mr. KYF. Arctic Team 99 ang itong pansay kami. Ante, pansay ko naman Chengsi Hangkong. Alright, itong K1,
The breeze is gentle, the night is bright, so may all your heart be filled with joy tonight. A very freezing good evening, ladies and gentlemen, respected jury members, my fellow contestants, and to all the team members. My name is Jakong Timong. I am 24 years of age, and I proudly hail from the beautiful and vibrant town of Difu. Talking about my educational background, I have completed my Bachelor's of Commerce from Difu Government College. And I'm aspiring to become a civil servant and a successful entrepreneur with the aim of contributing something meaningful to the society and generating opportunities for the needy people. And I strongly believe if you have a great enthusiasm to experience and learn new things in life, then it's never too late to mend. Thank you and enjoy the show, everyone.
Karam Taralangso, a very good evening to our respected judges and everyone present here. My name is Sunny Rongtulu. I am from Guwahati, Assam. I'm 21 years old, currently pursuing my bachelor's. I love to travel, dance, I love to read books. I also work as a model and actor. I believe that it is incumbent upon us to ruthlessly identify our own weakness and limitations and eagerly work to become more capable across all realms of human endeavor. Thank you. Nice hair, bro.
Taralangso, Tutang hello KRJ, Lamet hello KRJT. Kaching room hello KLA, Ipialam, Nejing Hon Chenam. Aprang si pineng reladak, man ping pen nang chitong dun, akang krong kang sai, abang pu abang pi mate. Ahawar tin pen nang chitong dun, akorte injir, pi apurun, pu apurun. Aklim bang par, kidona pans tame, nilihin pen. Ingdeng poke praisi, karbi resunim sorong aje, nilihin pen, Mr. KYF, ingdeng troxy, arni kang sama kadom, nang pajirik lo. Kadom! Nilimen thare sar singhan se, nili ata lake ningkaning korahini. Lape nili kiwang lake nili ningkaching samnay, nili mahang kithek kidingarong, umrangso dimahasaw. Nili kitlembo masay lake nili keton kelang lapen security asay sinili umrangso dalmiyak along sinili klem donik bom. Lapen nili kailong sayjok pen tiklemakan lake kikan. Athema bulotangte kikan pen nili munidapan puan lo ningi parong tek. Lapente nilikayalong ahokpet aning akimanga karya bang keingnut Mr. KYF karbia tharya puna jak pichoklim sika jaman kangtung la sala bang so ke mang pena jok sinili peneng pela bang so Mr. KYF karbia tharya puna jak pichokolong ningkan prilo keng kam nang jiordum munid aning akimang pregjam claim malingta chunbek pupe ahokpet pen mate ar nam pen protangte chunbek la pen joyte la pansin li chapa nilam the la pan mesi ribik check lo dome thakme puthok chitong tulanang pardon
aprangsi manteng kang tuinai krung sai pi alang li tumhan ingdeng phoke praisi karbi risonim so rong aja kardom nang paje glo kardom lape puthot hawaramai penang aja tongdun labangso Mr. KYF along alira champion nangkelang dun mate sarfi tia purun po purun injir marli korte akli mangpal to ana phanta nilin pen jutang kaching hon mate lamet kaching hon kardom pajir thulo kardom nilimen thare sarkiri signal lapen niliki bang hawar lake karju में नहीं मते केला में नहीं हवार बोलम तो मजी हवार पे लपे नीली नींग के हंगा साई लके इनुत लोथन बांग कोपी पसी नीली लोथन बांग पु होला बांग सो इली तुम पिंपुर पन में इली तुम के चार्ली जोसी आवे पलते खेईता नम किवीर पुआंग थे इली तुम Koletian education pu labang sojo se ilitum mesen polotangte isi akayalong keklar bo mate kaiketa kathang prinason sido lasi laso lili ninga mata bensi lili inut lo thanbang kache manji pu nili ning along chethabe lape nili do big hut kaike klembo masai lake kilun lape football patu lape nililam the lansing to nikonglo kardo Ru Semson sing dia cetai long, nang cetong tu, akor danger, sarpi sarpu, akli mangkar, lopen ke, kang kru kang sai, manteng kido kithe kiding, atumana phans tame, nilihin pen, ingteng phoke braisi, karbi risolim sorong aje kardom nang pajurik lo, kardom, nilimen thare bamon singkro, nili kebang awar laki. Bolong ko machi hawar pen nili kachali ang deng crazy lapen nili arta lingka lingkoy lapen ke nili lingki hang kilun kikan lapen kitun kedang pustame nili ling hang pik lapen nilikai long kemang lake inut cepat jana bang pusi kemang lan sinili pachini alam the ripik ceklo kardom tome thakle.
First of all, good evening to my respected judges and to everyone who are present in this beautiful evening. I am your contestant number 16. My name is Jersong Ongpi and I am 22 years old. Currently, I am working as an assistant teacher and I am a fitness influencer too. My aim in life is to become a fitness gym trainer and my hobbies includes teaching and working out in the gym. As there is a saying, if your health is good, everything is well. So, through this, I believe that with a good health and a good mentality, we can achieve and we can do everything in our life with positive thought and positive thinking. Thank you. And Cardon. Present here, respected judges, and to all the jury members, and to all the dear contestants present here. First of all, I would like to wish the 51st edition of the vibrant and beautiful culture of Karbi Youth Festival. Tonight, I'm very honored to stand in front of you here. So first of all, I would like to thank to the judges for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. Myself, I am Thong Teron, proudly presenting from Harvard, also known as Harvard. Currently, I am pursuing my IDD from Mechanical Engineering from Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Petroleum and Technology. Talking about my hobby here, I like designing the electronic gadget and also I like cooking and preparing the delicious food items. Also talking about my aim in life is to build up my own company and become a CEO one day. Last but not the least, this is to all the misses from my side. If you have talent inside you, please don't keep it hiding. Please try to overcome it and know your talent and work for it, so that everyone know what you are and what we are and what we can. So with this, I would like to conclude my words. Thank you. Charlie Penzongzi. Monita Okadur, Chelar Hector, Lotang, Halabang so Charlie, the Tang Natalie. Sipining Labang so in Toka Brasi, Carbido seems so wrong as a Catalan and Chetangun, Manpan Katoka taking Pankachanglo, Pinabang so wrong as along. Alira Champan and Galan Kadukabe, Sarvis are poor, Clementari, so is young Lapendet, Pinabang so wrong as along. Ilutumpan, Nakangkron and Gansaidun, Manpan Kadokun Saipikrum Saipo. Lapen Mekardon so dan Pansuta Menilihin Pen, Ingdeng Pakabrasi, Carbidusim Sorong as a Cardom, and Pajireglo. Cardom Nili Hekaching Hon, Lapen, Jutang Jubat, Lamet Lamchong, Lapen, Nimrokom, Thorom Putikaching Hona Bangpu, Nilimentari, Windom Teron, Lapen Nili Gavang Nizanka, Long Jenka, Hawaii, Lapen, Nili Charlie Bomang Deng Laki, BA Priangdeng, Adim Laki, Rabindranath Tagore University, Hosea Long Supialong. Lapen Nili Kayalong Nili Klem Rasa Ipulangte, Guitar Carding, Lun Kilun, Lun Jerkato, Hair Jerkato, Lapen, Lamarjan Salam Pusami, Nili Hang. Lapen Nili Kayalong Nili Kemang, Laki, Hedong University along, a professional Mati Asar Guru. La Pandas Nili Chepachini and Tonikolo, Dome Takmi Kurang to Cardon.
goal and ready to conquer his dream. A very good evening to all the respected judges, my fellow contestants, and to all the lovely people present here tonight. Myself, Sarim Tongpi, I am your Mr. KYF participant, contestant number 9. I am 19 years old from the amazing Foloni town. I am BSc 4th semester student in Thom Long Bay College, Dokloka. Talking about my hobby, I enjoy listening to music, exploring online and offline magazine, and I play game too. My aim in life is to become financially independent so that I can stand straight in my own faith. Success comes within practice and hard work. Thank you.
Taralangso! Good evening to honorable juries and to all the beautiful souls present here. I am Benissor Timong, your contestant number 18, and tonight I am proudly representing diverse and vibrant communities of Semson constituency, residents of KPH Timong. My motto in life is to be confident and never giving up, and I truly believe in being confident and never giving up. And all the people present here right now must have this two aspects, that is self-confidence and never giving up. As these two aspects can help to achieve anything in life. I am 18 years old and currently pursuing my ACS second year commerce stream from Don Bosco Senior Secondary School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, and good evening to one and all present here, respected judges and to all the lovely audience. My name is Johnny Teron, and I'm from a very beautiful place of Kolamadi, East Karbi Anglong, Assam. I am 21 years old, and I love cooking, playing football, and traveling as well. Talking about my studies, I'm currently pursuing my Bachelor of Commerce 6th semester from Difu Government College, and my aim in life is to become a successful businessman. I believe that beauty comes from the heart, and I want everyone to chase their dreams. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great evening ahead.
Hello, Taralangso. A very good warm evening to respected judges and to all lovely audience present here. My name is Sanjoy Kamsa. I am 20 years old and I am from West Karbi Anglong, Hamren. I am here with hope of a positive change, to believe in myself, to have courage to take the first steps, and trying to improve myself, empower myself, because I want others to step up, to have belief in themselves. Thank you so much.
Today you are a learner, but tomorrow you will be the leader in this beautiful world. My beautiful judges and my lovely audience, first of all, I would like to thank the organizing teams and for my respected judges for having me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Sergeant Kronihang and I am 21 years old young man, your contestant number 6. I belong to a scheduled tribes Karbi community from beautiful place West Karbi Anglong, Chirikendeng, Assam. My hobbies are cooking, dancing, traveling, home arrangements, and also love doing fitness. I did my graduation from Rabindranath Tagore University, Ujjain, and now currently pursuing my master's degree at the same university. My aim in life is to become a professor of education. Last but not least, find out yourself who you are and do it on the right focus. The whole is yours. I hope you all living good with your family members. Stay safe, stay healthy. Guruang too.
Kordam Taralangso. Apang si non kajapati abang puto anapan ingkrung sai ponbom aman ke do aluhi krung sai po mate krung sai pito anapan tabe nilihin pen arni kang sama kordom ninga klong pen pajereglo kardo lapen kelang arab to anapan tabe nilihin pen arni kang sama kordom pajereglo kardo nilimen thare mirson toron nilirong lakadak difu mensing rong pen lapen nili ke klem bom asai lake kuk mate kitun ke dang asai si nili guhatia rong supilong klempon bom lapen nili youtube hom jai long same sai jo klempon bom lapen nili kemang lapen kar I lake inut lam kan arjan ka chepar jana bang phu lapan sinali tumben chepachi nyang tek pakleng chek thelo dome thame kardo Taralangso. Good evening to our respected juries and each and everyone present here. And thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Semson Ingti. I am your contestant number 5. I hail from a beautiful place, Taralangso. I am currently pursuing Bachelor of Science 4th semester at Lamding College, Hosai. My hobbies: teaching, traveling, listening to the motivational speaker, and modeling. I have a joyful personality and I love making connection with the people. I believe it's hard to be a person who never give up. My motto: be together, spread knowledge. Thank you.
Kordam Taralangso! A warm good evening to each and everyone, respected judges, the organizers, and to all my jury members. I am Rajube, representing from West Karbi Anglong, Taralangso. Currently 11th standard at Semson singing team from Commerce stream. I believe that no matter how far you have been coming from, or the struggle you have faced, but never stop having faith, praying to God, and never stop believing in yourself. That is the reason why I'm standing here. Thank you.
Chini ne aprang piring le ladak nanga chetong dun man peng kedo kang krung kang sai lapen sarpi sarpu aklimang par doan phans dame nilihin pen mate ingdeng phokke praisi karbi riso nimso rong aje akadong na paje riklo kado nilimen thare lomgiri tiso niliata inkoiraisi Nelly Charlie Bob lage Difu Government College cholong si Nelly Charlie dun Bob Nelly Rom mate Nelly Kewang lage ipilong ria long nong nam ka thang nai adi mate lage Difu Rong Sopi Nelly ka long Nelly ka cheman kang tung lage inut hexer mesen lo than bang khu Nelly ka long Nelly ka bisi ke
nang li kupima ke la si nang li rod long ji lan pen si nili lam the pa jodi kok lo do me thak me korwang thu
kadom Taralangso tangte ilitum me thanga jutang jupara posi nili nipiala me sininge pola pe nili nipin alam han jutang jupara phan nili ching hon pik posi nili ning cho dong si nili lam ning ji nipiala ne ching hon china aprangsi kadok khawe pinung we nadat bangke chitong dun sarpi sarpu akli mangpha kedawan phan same puthot nangni tuma phan sengkan kimi made ingdeng phoke bresi garbi riso mimso wrong aje kadom nangpa jo iglo kadom laben puthot pinung we lada raje kimi kachipa telong man peng ke thinai laben man peng kang tunai kangrung kangsai akihai pi atuma phan nili ningak long balang li tum same chorolo lapen nili chipa chini ni apran nili ka choro kang tung nili ningak long balang li tum han choro ek nangji UKYA mate United Kalbi Youth Association alang li tum phan lapu sona jai mek nangki ban pialang li tum phan choro ek nangji lapen puthon nili angko ningje thulang nili Taralangso along mate Kalbi People holalong nili ning kang sama satai plotila dakhan lo ru Semson sing Ingti athi litung kopie polot ning kang sam punili ningak long na kacithan athi ru Semson sing Ingti litung ke father of nation puta cholo litung stami alang liphan man peng chipi wek nangji ru Semson sing Ingti ke do join nisi pini litung Kalbiang long district ke long lasi aprangsi nilimen thare babuson rong pha nili kewang mon sing Ingti arong lang gelaya klam lapen nilikai ke klem sai lun karju lapen kekan lapen jilpo jilpi pen kacithan kacimum lapen nili mekai long kimang inut theya songjapo mate political leader athe kumpia porlo political leader mate theya songjapo kimang kang tungke jasmen pet itum non Kalbiang long akisung dopi lasi nilitame moanisi nang nito mahil jumepen nilitame inut theya songjap nang malo dangte Kalbiang long kipaching thorje phan nilitani ning kihang do lasi binung we nili lapan sinili lam theng to ni kokpa dome thak me kurwan to kaldo
To all the honorable judges and to all my fellow contestants, and good evening to each and everyone present here. My name is Rohan Singh Kro and I am from a beautiful place, Dokmoka, Narlawat Yadorso. And I am 19 years old, your contestant number 3, currently pursuing BSc 4th semester with honors in Zoology at Thonglongwei College. My hobbies include singing and dancing, and I want to become a successful professor, and I'm a person who believes in hard work rather than luck. Thank you and have a great evening to all.
Pardon, a very good evening to our respected jury members and all the beautiful audience. I am Rohit Ingti from beautiful town of Difu Karbi Anglong itself. Recently, I have completed my Bachelor's of Arts from Difu Government College, and currently I am serving my state Panchayat and Rural Development Department in Silchar. I am 22 years old and I'm very passionate about anything doing in my life which make me a better version of myself. And I truly believe one should fashion his life with a garland of good deeds. So keep doing good, keep smiling and spread love. Thank you.
Kardom to our lovely judges and all the people that are present here this lovely evening. My name is Vinod Margan. I'm from Langin Karbi Anglong and I'm 18 years old. As my father is Boro and my mother is Karbi, I strive its heritage and a long-lasting culture every day. I have an everlasting passion for dancing and performing as a professional dancer. I speak fluent Boro and English and alongside with a little bit of Karbi. Karbi alumni Asaptek. And last but not least, I want to thank the 2025 of Karbi Festival and Mr. KYF for letting me have this opportunity to be here, and it is truly an honor to be representing my culture here. Thank you and Kardom.
Kardom Taralangso! Apansi, Pinengre, Ingti, Pokebraisi, Karbi Risolimso, Rongaje, Apuna Chak Chok Limatare, Kangkrong Kangsai Ponji, Abangku, Laben Abangpi, Laben, Howard Ingden, Chitang Kachinghon, Karbi Arat Kedo Alapan, Apransi, Ingden, Pokebraisi, Karbi, Risolimso, Rongaje Kardom Nampachuriklo. Kardom! Nilben, Kare, Chung Hong Terang! Nilikiwang, Rumlugor Singason, Ahawar Pen. Lapen, Nilinikihang, Kilun, Lapen Kikan, Lapen, Mitang, Karbi, Jutang Jubat, Lun Lam Tumo, Lapen, Pindeng Sumpot, Ansuse, Ansong Kirung Konje Panili, Kaike Kabori, Lapen Nilinikihang Do. Lasi, Lapon Chipachini Pensi, Nililamte, Riponi Cheklo. Kardom! Bismillah, kilometer kurang pakai.
Kardom Taralangso, Penenga Sengkan, Risonimso, Rongaje, Ingdeng Pokebraisi, Ningkan Suri Hinira Inkoy Rapo, Pinining Ladak, Naichitong Dun, Aman Peng Kedonai, Abang Puabang Pi, Kangkrung Kangsay Abang Puabang Pi, Lapen Kedoan Naratapan Sitame Nilihin Pen, Kardom. Nilimen Thare Robin Timung, Nili Kibang, like a Gulab Hata Hawara Long Pen, Nili Charlie Bomangdeng, like a BS6 semester, Lapen, Nili Kailong Kimang, Asai ke Lahenlo, Akime Asai ki Klempen, Mo Sitami, Nosit Hek, Bulotangte, Nipini Po Pan, Man Peng Pen, Aruso se Amahang Pangtu, Dunik Jipan Sin Nili Bor Ipon, Nili Lamte La Anpen, Ipusi, Pangtonik Lo, Kardom.
Kardom Taralangso, Aprangsi, Manpeng Kido, Kangkrung Kangsay Ki Hayatum, Lapen, Lapangso, Ajay, Megalong Alira Cham Nang Ipido na Tunduan Apan, Mingak Longpen, Ingdeng Pokebraisi, Karbi Risulim Sorong Ajaya Kardom Nang Pajiro, Kardom Nilimen Thari, Longkiri Terong, Niliarta, Ningkaning Korapo, Nilikewang, Borjana Hawarpen, Niligachari ang ding laki graduate Bokajan College Pen. Nili Mr. KYF lang ang chupete nun, piningan ningkan troxy lo, kicheng pen piningan ke. Ate Mr. KYF amana peng laki, jutang jubat pindeng sumpot, lamet lamchong pen kachirap lo amana peng posinilita, ahok perakari dobino. Lasinili Mr. KYF ningkan trok remdet apita nili ingtonte ate bidigang chotam ki pualam thedo great thing take time be patient never give up. So I believe and hope there will be a good day ahead for me too, which I will achieve something great in my life.
that I could bring smile on my parents' face and make them feel proud. So I'm here once again to be a part of Mr. KYF 2025. Gardong! Mr. KYF 2025 along kasi patupon mati Arctic Kemenai na taro betul begitu. Masih kecing si angkung mati. Asuka sini angkung bangke lawan si kantong itu. Collaboration with Karbi Cultural Society. Let's see. Kosong pangceng nang di. Sama Karbi pangceng nang ma. Shall we proceed with the competition? Yes or no? Come on, louder. Yes or no? Yes. All right, people. So now we are going to proceed with the Mr. KYF 2025 competition on the occasion of the 51st edition of the Karbi Youth Festival, which is presented by the Karbi Cultural Society. But before we proceed with the competition, we have a panel of judges for this very competition, with us this very evening. So we would like to take this opportunity to invite them onto the stage. So first we have Mr. Longbeard Terang, a renowned poet and lyricist. So please join us in welcoming Mr. Longbeard Terang with a big round of applause. So can we have Mr. Longbeard Terang on the stage, please? Adang liban kartu kardeji pasti tunai berilu. Ada progress tolong. All right, people. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for him, Mr. Longbeard Terang. He is a renowned poet and lyricist. Also would like to request the organizing committee to do the honor of felicitating him with a Karbi poem. Thank you so much. Also joining us, another judge, that is Mr. Harmony Bay, winner of the Mr. KYF 2019. Hello. So once again, can we have a big round of applause for Harmony Bay? Meantime, would like to request our sister to do the honor of felicitation. Last but not the least, we have one more judge among us, and she is none other than Jerlyn Rompipi. So may I have the privilege to invite Jerlyn Rompipi to come and join us onto the stage, please. Miss Jerlyn Rompipi, can we have you on the stage, please? Please put your hands together for Jerlyn Rompipi. I also would like to request our sisters to do the honor of felicitating her with a Karbi poem. And also we have one more judge among us, and he is Mr. Sagor Ingling. So Mr. Sagor Ingling, can we have you on the stage, please?
introduce the assistant to do the honor of felicitating him with a Karbi Momo. Winning Mr. KYF 2025 second round along Kachapon Bustuno, contestant number 1 laban contestant number 6. Ano bang kay Parang juga kita ito? Yeah, thank you.
My question goes to contestant number 1. Who is your greatest inspiration in your life and why? Nang kayong nang greatest inspiration kumatlo, lapen ko people lo.
Nilipay, nilipo. Nanglin kangkrung kang saya abang pi nangli apun na chaki choklim abang nangli apun na chaki choklim ajane si non labangso amu kamlong penangkili donik sinilipan labangso alam tenang karjoik lo laso pot nili ningaklong penalipan choro parlo nilipan lason alam te karjome alam tenang karjoik pot nili inspiration alam puitam ji pulote lage nilipi nilipo athe nilipan bihek pensitame nilipan nangkilana nili kisung hut pusitame kicing si nangkicilana nilipi nilipo nili nanina chorle dong lut nane jokhom lecho pustame nangkicilang don cheng ke nilipi nilipo laso potosi nili puthot nang puik thulo nili inspiration ke nili kang bong ke nilipi nilipo hendo kardong.
Contestant number 6 nang kailo kimang kumiyon kaya sa
Professor of Education.
Labangso Professor Malotena kaya pa ng wipan ng serapik.
Morisi labangso akimang chululo pulakante nili radapan loke thang ko nasai mesen awar sai poligi lapen nili mo thiding labangso akimang chululo pulakante radde rapan nili mesen lo thana bangpu ke thang ko dia awar sai lepan lapen ili tuma deralo Tapuson Professor Kemanku kompik na points na may nilita mornisi heading lo pulutangte lason Professor Manlo pulutangte rad deraphan kamthur ponji asai nili klep ponji lapen jutang jubada farman nili loke than ponpen bihek thiek tumhan kamthur ponpen nili loki
lason lo kamthur Kosong nomor saya.
Our side nili isi Besen University mate isi open education open policy nili kan bahasa claim policy.
Good, good shot.
University itu dah buat lagi.
Nili man kayak itu pikir.
Kalau open JP quiz ni ada last itu lah. Taralangso Mr. KYF KYF metu kan nak cek
1974 Taralangso long na di 1994
Thank you. Next contestant, please. Thank you so much. Can we have the
question is towards contestant number 2. And the question is, if you have to choose between money and fame, what would you choose?
Thank you for the question, ma'am. In my opinion, money matters the most because money is what we live for and what we earn and what we work hard for. At the end of the day, if you don't have money, then it does not matter how much happiness you have. As for me, it's my opinion. And as for fame, you get fame just because you try hard and you grind for it. That's why you get fame. As for money, when someone tries to work hard in their life, that's how they get the money and the fame. But I think it's not necessary to choose between both because why not have both money and fame? As for many celebrities still exist out there, that's their goal and that's their inspiration, and I believe in that too. Thank you.
One more question to contestant number 2. Would you please describe this costume attire? Okay, one by one.
This is typically known as sifung, which is very private in our place, in our tribe, which is handmade and custom made by our elders. And this is known as aronai, we all know, and this is known as hisima, which is usually worn by the Sanjari people of our tribe. They are one of the tribe which are very instant right now and not much found in most Boro places. So I'm representing the Sanjari tribe today, including this asangota and this pagri, which is made of Ingti silk, and yeah, this damsa.
This is towel. This is girl. Lang sinu towel.
Cardo, kamu sebenarnya. Ini kanan kau juga lawan. Mana lagi kecikok lock, nang ram lo kecikok lock kopi.
Rumpan.
Rumpan pada anu satu mapan sipu dan lamu. Maganda ka lang, kaciyong kay kopila.
Lanili ka pindeng laki karbi richo pindeng sinili minak unan pen pindeng kon.
Kamu nali kemang son kacitan kopi pomyong ke?
Nili akemang laki Mr. KYF karbi athare apuna chak ki choklim la sinili pineng pen tame sengkan pilo abang sohong jai no sengkan yang cior.
Lang di jong si pineng undat pulote. Sa biara tan kopi la.
Aprang si chorolosar nang ninilipan labang so alam tinikar juponapot nili jong si pineng le labang so Mr. KYF ingdeng trok labang so ningkan surihini ra ingkoy rapolong labang so Mr. KYF apuna chaki jok high pondetlo pulotang tinili labang so Karbi arada pan la anso se nili ki mesen anong nam ki vanji pan nili bor easy la pen nila bang so platform along high debt pusta minili anso se akang tui ang deng along an sa minili geng kam ti odon pen imina pindeng son pot ilami ki sa minili paklang pen ili Karbi akaya pan nong me vanji la pen a first me nilipi na nga si dando na uwi tong pata me acham ke me alir ke me paklang pa sidili chirap si tudunji la pena first me non ke bangji uwi pimi tong pata me nili jutang jubat la met lam chong pen nili un an ke theka koran ke chirap si tudunji la pena first me la bangso UKYA United Karbi Youth Association ki theke ding la bangso acha tai na ke wan pe tong pata me nili jong se peneng ve high pondet polo tangte alang tumalong nili ki theka son an ke chirap si to pen se la bangso Mr. KYF non ne prang evang jil an so se pa prangon thek bom je phan di ta me chirap chi to din ji nili ningak long pen nang chi chak kang pardon nili ka charli ang deng la ke nili kemang deng si charli bom la pen non nili ki klem bom asai la ke nili umrangso dalmia cement factory long sinili ke ton ke lang mati security guard se klem nili bom Joko.
Dalmia bang ko. Dalmia bang ma'am. Ay, Mr. Sexy.
Manager song officer.
Si thôi thôi cậu.
Kalian sir Jindon. Kalian sir.
Mr. KYF. Dulu deh nampan upi lo di sini dah.
Mr. KYF mana isi apuna cak kecop athari mate isi kantiren apuna cak athari pusini matadam athima youth chatum non practical especially non dilitum youth chatum athe non ke dilitum youth chatum araki lahai hormu ke chodo lasi dilitum lahai long ta confidence mate isi a platform Mr. KYF ta ilitum confidence ka chibil lapen lahai lam kithek mate lun kithek kacharli a platform pusine li matha lasi ili ajada sai ajada mole claim sita me ili lahai a platform long pen kicheng dun mate kengkam ka chijordun adim pusi ili matha la ansi
Langsung
itu lagi long day.
Langsung KYF. Komentu ningkan sih gitu ceng lapen konak sih gitu ceng.
Tidak bangke. Ini ada yang mulai 1959.
Bro.
Yes sir.
Bro. Ganti.
Tinggal bangke. Karbi Club. Oh sorry, Difu Club. Oh, Difu Club sir. Sorry, Karbi Club bukan. Coba sir, nanti nilipan langsung arsikjit question angkat jumpa. Coba sir.
Sama apa mana?
Nili contestant number 17 masih Laswala Marjorie ji. Mr. KYF along kupipi qualities duneng.
Sono parti bang, ini kalau bang soalam the angkat jupona pot. Mr. KYF lo, kalau tangke lagi Karbi reasoning so rong aja long situ. Lasi Mr. KYF lagi si beauty present posisi di budam ji. Athe, ele tu lada ke itum confidence level lapen confidence level talo lapen nangli personality ta mesen nangji lapen nangli cipindeng nangli nangli kuson si cipindeng malapen hoda kuson si nangli represent neng ma hala huya quality nang long nangli long do nangji ini mat hadam
kuson represent bukan
nangli kopia pindeng si kacing thang ma hala bangso pindeng ching thang pen mane isi kecok lim ching thang pen nangli represent namang ko
kita kali deh
gaprek dolar pindeng tak
pindeng support bisa micok lim nang ko lapen nangli nangkar jualan teh quality bisa kurang quality kalau tak ni mas dalam teh lalu nangli voice modulation mati nangli lamte ke thakdun kalau bangso tak ke thek nang shot lapen nangli confidence lo lapen lalu ni budaya mangge.
Thank you so much.
Kalau ada kan bang support aja.
Contestant number 4. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay. So my question towards you is that if for one day you become the CEM of Karbi Anglong, what would you do for the society?
Firstly, I will stop the corruption. And secondly, I'll bring harmony and peace in the society. Thank you.
Isigo नहीं बनता contestant number 4 lala kecipindeng doa nason isi hampir itu
Nili bor ijes. Nili la kecipindeng la versi bang ke la keseleng. La ben la
seleng di labang ke bangko. Labang ke ban. Labang ke arso le.
La ben la pun nili arti itu bang ke order for la ke tu machin. Kontrol kathak la ke pardon ke karbia bojaru. La ben la di polong.
Labang ke paswar.
Kanpon la ke karbi poho la ben la.
Labang ke bojaru. Bulki arti.
Ke la jamboro. La ben la bang ke karbi joy hong thor.
Amin usumin. Jadi sorti mungsur.
Kangsam nama kole.
Mr. KYF. Thank you very much for the contribution to be Mr. KYF's platform when you can show their talent. People around from Karbi Anglong and not only from Karbi Anglong, from Northeast, all over India can showcase their talent. By showcasing our talent and culture, we can promote our culture to the world. Thank you. Which you are able to do means you have that desire to do. Poho in Karbi, we have two types of poho. White one is for unmarried people, and red one is for married people. And this is jamborong, which is used for storing goods and all. And this is called leg compling. And this is called choy hongkor. There are various types of chongordo. And this is chepan. And this is selling.
My question is towards contestant number 8. Our last two. The first one is, how are you feeling tonight? And the second is, I want you to tell us about Ru Semson Singh Ingti.
Churupar piglo ake happy nali nilipal na puson nag alam the nagar jopot nasi nililam the nali nagar jolong nagi thagun ji bangke kicheng sia phan nali nagar ju bangke piling ve nili koson si ki film ma po nasi nili piling ve nili ning charong piglo labangso Mr. KYF mate Raja Kime kachipati along nili sitami nagachipati do long apot althema nili sitami kai sitami kimang do lapen ning karong do lapen nili kar ido labangso Mr. KYF chipati do jipu nili ajir dinglen ben si nili kimang sitami nili kachisi kachidang agut sitami kadure pen ajok sami kimang kitam tangan kan lom sitami nili Wanglong lidelo lapen batuning stami nili wanglong lidelo stami pinengke nili kiunan pen jakong kiduan pen nili labangso Mr. KYF along ningaklong pen ningkarong pen anchipati dun jipan si nili wanglo ako lapen adunsu apan ke nangli nangkar jualam Ru Semson Singh Ingti alam the nantani tha budi to Churupar piglo Ru Semson Singh Ingti alam nili nali tumphan nagi thangkang tungke la hello Ru Semson Singh Ingti ke ili karbi khe aphan nongme ke wan nake wan pi bang lo lasi Ilitum alang lipan tini nami kai ke islami cuma thapon biar nanti alang lipan musim ini paning tung lo lan hello jero perfect lo jero lo contestant number 19
Asip terko sinong lek. Bok ke benda. Asip dong lek. Asip benda. Dong lek. Your song is so good.
Mr. KYF politik tidak ngapain.
I can hear.
Mr. KYF politik.
Your voice is so small. Your song is tangan sakit.
Inut, itik mati. Inut, responsibility can take that. Masih ini nomor kita. Tapi thanks untuk sini pen. Masih apa masih ini kang kecil penjiman body itu. Mungkin pun take bang sendiri. Penjiman pun cek kecil saya.
Next contestant.
Contestant number
13.
Are we among contestant number
13?
Contestant number 13. Nangli pinin sumpok kupi magajing tan. Aputang nang tanik tha. Laben, my second question is, itong Arleng a society lo, sorlo ben sopinso, bahiniang bong equality doma.
Okay, thank you so much for the question, ma'am. So today I'm showcasing myself as a director of Karbiricho. So I'm wearing Seleng along with Leg Penghera, and this is Thanape, and this is Karbiricho Putu. And the second question is that I think there's equality in both genders, I would say, the male and female. They play a crucial role in their life. I think they are interlinked, which I would say, because without a male or a female, I think this world can be run. Both are important, and I think they play a very much crucial role in this nation. Thank you, ma'am.
Lilihin dan dari Malaysia Boshindo, dari kami job ini sekejeng thai.
Giving the result.
Nang pulau kecil pun.
Because
masuk alam thap tegi mana. General people pun lapende Karbiricho tu. Karbiricho tu ke masuk pojok pindeng lalu. Monta kopi pun lah general people tu lah cipindeng lalu. Lai pulau cipukan. Citek pun than tegi mana.
Chalo perfect sir, nang isang alam thena Karbiricho pot. Athema inota richo, berarti as a respect, doma tadi. Lahir si labang ke isi a symbol boleh kita macam lo tema Karbi licho pote isi identity labang isi identity lo lapen ke normal people tum pote labang ke la poho si cekong long cot ba cekong cot ko sini bang kuambo prosa juro contestant number 7 di 23 Yang paling kau jadi lah lo, peneng indeng poket resi Karbi disuruh sorong aja. Alo, Hong Pen sponsor do, nasi halas sponsor a brand kopi lah.
Kuma, Inilah Kuma Adidas, Puyamba.
I think the sponsor name is Toyota Company.
Kopi posi lah son sponsor nangkok gitu lah. Asal uci hek bantan hek juga.
Sir, I genuinely believe that sponsor like we the people of Karbi Anglong need KYF to celebrate, but due to the low fund, we cannot achieve that thing. So we need such kind of fund from other things, like we need company to come in Karbi Anglong and sponsor us to give us a platform like Mr. KYF and achieve and give an entertainment to the people of Karbi Anglong. Thank you.
Tapi nanti pun teman kita lah awam long cikok lah, people lah nanti cikok kita. Cikok bantan hek gimana?
Yo paplo boleh kiat, boleh kipak, tidak boleh kipak. Gimana benar? Tiap kau, aku nak memang kau nak
kontesin.
Nang ni deh, nang ni. Oh man, what the hell?
Gardo, contestant number 24.
Pardon, sir.
Who are 24 ni?
Pardon, sir.
14.
Minit isiang bong lah nangka cipin deng aputak. Cihek bantan hek cuma.
Surola sir, ili pala puson jumesen alam thena kar jupan napot asi nili pini labangso ingdeng pokebra si karbi isonim so rong ache apuna chaka chokle mathare ka kangkrung kangsai along nili na chipindeng mate na chiparte do la pindeng lalo nili pulong kachipung lake puhu lapen lapu nili nu nganat lake wajaru ani lapente labangke choi hong thor nilipai sinang ke thak 1 kilo lapen labangke jilpan lapen lapun nili kachebek labangke jamborong lapen nili otik dong labangke chiniglo athak labangke bongkro lapen nili la neche thokalong kachebek ike hakoko rupa leglo asi nili laan than si nili lam thoi dibi cheklo
Ya eso lah musik hak buat tidak kan?
Nili kacing thang laki seleng asi pejok tha sir
Dengan nak macam tim dengan seleng tu people lama orang mereka. Cihek pun nak hantek cuma.
Chorolo sir puthot kushana kar jupot lasi labangso aseleng amang doiko laki non owekimi mate non kapinsong mi labangso a design iglo lasi ni lan than si ni lam theri pichek lo
Seleng bulat dia pinsun tu seleng bulat dia amang kami dia nanti yang di cipendeng lah seleng amang orang people lah support macam thak dan hantek cuma lah support.
Nili kacinya teng sinili nang thagi posar. Lake pinso tumapan amang awedet nang ji pu nili cida mike. Lasi nili pini nang cingtang iglo nili labangso aseleng amang dueko nili alon langmeko athe pining we nili tum dak karbi risonim so ronga ji apun jaga chokli mathare along pusi lake isi fashion mogawe kimia tumpan kusonsi keme designer kimi ke paklang ponjima laso puthak nili matha pongsi pini labangso amang dueko aseleng samen nili na chipindeng iglo. Thank you sir.
Thank you so much, contestant number 24. Now my question goes to contestant number 14, right? What I want to ask you is that, is beauty important? ARJ Kimbe important ma?
Thank you so much for the question, ma'am. I think that beauty is a factor that may persist in a human being in the form of physical appearance or in the form of inner beauty, be it the confidence, their personality, their manners, their communication and their behavior with the person and the surroundings. I believe that beauty resides in a person's personality more than their physical appearance. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I would also, I'm interested in your attire. Can you tell me something what you're wearing?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'm wearing a seleng. This is called seleng. And this is Lake Pankra. And this one is Lake Bonghom. And this is Jamborong. And this one is called Poho. And this one is Ujaruangni. Thank you.
Joro parpig lo sir, nilipang apuson arsik di dalam tinangkar jupon teka po. Litum rong nihang long, kibiceng pelote laki, labangso, rong aje, 1974, mate, paro kresir kebrat, troksi kebrat, plia ningkansi, ho ahoda kare difukar biklawa long kibi iglo. Karbi risonim sorong aja.
Mr. KYF ini hai delona. Kunang deh.
Coro parpik lasar niliphan lapuson jumesen alam tenangkar jupon tega pot lapen nili labangso alam klar naik piphan nili deng ikon pamelong Mr. KYF mate apun aja kecok li malong pinong mejongsi nili haipon detlo polotang te Nili hai telo polo tangte ke Anggila Nili Nili ke klaim pa preng lake Owe kini tumpat Isi mesena tora pen ke mesena tora polo tangte ke Charlie ahin abang awareness ku bang bidem lapen labangso awareness mate cerok tok anu labangso cerok tok amai ki belong nili kai kita merja duin lapen pinong we nili Mr. KYF abang pu kemantang josi nili mandet pulo tangte kerang gilang along nili labangso Mr. KYF long kacerap kacetodun jia phan nili lamchang lang pilo lape owe kimi tumphan koson si ke message ma halabang so toar long nili japon ikpo nili message ta ate Mr. ate labang so apuna chang e choklom na Japon tala take mesana tor athe ini tum labangso apuna chang along kacepate lata isi chalo chikop lo ini tum labangso lo labangso Mr. KYF ta ilitum pinteng sumput mate itum karbiang lompe nangtam pace tangiun ate ilitum labangso emetha pindeng kuno kapre ka pindeng kuno ilitum cepak lang ilong labangso
Contestant number 15 panili sona lamar jutui glam. Arleng atum kurphodo. Kupipilo la kurpho.
Jorom parlemen ini pan lapuson nang karipon tegapot. Ejang, tungjang, lijang, hanjang, konjang. Laannya besar.
Laannya lebih. Kalau tidak, jadi contestant number 25 hasil report. Kopi posisi Jepang, Jepang lengkap.
Apa sih? Coba lo langsung alam tina kerja panas. Kardom apa sih? Kado gabi ponta. Jepang macam punang kok lagi letai si karbia pendeng lo. Itulah iseleng choi hong thor puho Jepang den pelatai itu Jepang panang kok isi antek si karbia pendeng lo.
Jadi kecilnya banyak kaplek, dan nanti kita hanya kapleknya, lajong no, nanti satu dah. Karbi Youth Festival ke komatun si kapatil pimpang. Non kalau apa kalau kaitan komatun si kapatil pimpang Karbi Youth Festival.
Alam tina kerja panas lagi Karbi Cultural Society itu.
Karbi Cultural Society itu sekarang no, nanti non 2025 dan 28 Parman, non hanya conference juga no, ada komat apa sih kan wai kono mai pula kan konjunta, kanting juga.
Curula, non hanya kan wai pon Karbi Cultural Society amai pula ke kumsing biak hai, lapen kongchun bang lagi sunir tok biak hai.
Nanti di kecipun kita besar pikir pinsu tu si cium cot dan jiwa orang tu si cium cot dan hak tek jiwa Cihek hak tek jiwa lah semalam
besar pi lagi di plagdo gitu besar pikir lagi arus tu mapan
itu loh dia pinjau winner bila
kematha la nong nili kachipung la bangso puho la rong nili kulat long sikenam matsi nili la so teng baching bar pong det pu basi nili la bangso isame chum det lo churo ping
Ini kacuning di kontestan doang itu laku berkom nampen macam hadir ke dalam si kacuning itu. Aduh beta laku dah nanti macam green room long kacung orang kapan si kacuning lo nanti non betul ini tu nampen mereka Kacipati pon contestant doan itu alang itimnya green room si dolo result bang nang charge juga nikno lalu ladak amen kido teman bang ke nang litum green room along next round upon nang litum cisik cedan pensi donang po masih kosong lo kode parjupil lo nanti dante pining labangso Mr. KYF 2025 along second round along kidunji kacip round dun krum sai abang pu bang pipian ang apale la puson yan lo keceng si labang ke contestant number 1 contestant number 1 lapen putra do tulang music ibon ada putra do tulang
Adiri ko perintah make long.
Todi chipon nun tu labang ke contestant number 2 lapen putod lutulang contestant number 4 putod contestant number 6 lapen putod contestant number 8 lapen lutulang contestant number 12 lapen lutulang contestant number 13 lapen lutulang contestant number 14 lapen lutulang contestant number 15 lapen lutulang contestant number 16 lapen lutulang contestant number
Nilisi direct Rublin pucuk nalit tu makai doktor Rublin roh pipi puanai tan nili ke amen hangga dah col hai nili makai. Oh isi bak somo. Arta bang tan telo harmoni ke risomar lang lapen singgul lang las arta tan telo. Staff ini apa telo?
Happy birthday to you.
Malo hala horan lekhe hai bang lama ho. To baino sodak tak ho. To baino alang lisi lah bang so kek wan tan lo. Oh. Alang li hello Mr. KYF ke hadi keceng sih aningkan kibi ceng walang litung si kibi lo UKYF 2019 aningkan ke hai ceng abang lo harmoni B lah hello abang lo link kita pinir bang kalar lo coy ger tokok siasap er hing tokok lo mulai insam lo tak aku cik tutup mo lagi
Happy birthday
ande ceng nama ho
Alah betul program Happy birthday Happy birthday to
Aprasi ka do kawi patame ningak sama kardom pajilo kardom Name jigo nasi curupi kan lo sar horen lekhe lo nili dung sido nili jirpo lo cihon pik alang sila bangso kek lamate nili phana pa surprise lo nili bangadak la kangkung kang saya pan Así que bang lo sitabe alang li himta la kalalang di jirpo tiso sangho alang li tum sini li bhan memang apa tirik jo la pente curupi kan lo nili timlong do warloki dera ala Mr. KYF la kecapain tu banglo la pende dolang ini tulang Abdul Rudu orang CEO aparta mukam be la pende doga be dak klem rapet la pende rupsi dairi la pende pu state in charge singjati so lalo 2019 ahud release name Mr. KYF cepati tu lo la pu lor chutia sai klem bom pen amat pu cepati tu nei polo cepati tu pen cepati tu lo la so arni thoto 17 arni Mobile ke mepan ini hai tu cila lah si la so memories ke momo tak tinggi ni lo la pulo je la si pading nam ni lo ni kek bang than pit po neta risumar wer lang la si risumar kek sing than po non ta risumar kek ya kilo to kado meri chade mo to happy birthday to you birthday to you happy Happy birthday to you. To kangga. La rublin pan lepin la ne cepek lo. Ta fanga ba? Pin. Oh, anke atun tu bangela presiden apa? Jola la UKYA presiden.
Oke, hari ini rombongan sidang. Sampai lagi Pangsin waktu UKYA lah memantau kebetulan Ajay Singer UKYA Finance Secretary Vikas Singer Co-Convener dalam liga Mr. KYF Committee lah itu untuk technician piso Convener Mr. KYF Committee dalam liga teman-teman guys yang sampai masih tuning regular untuk kebetulan Walsong Timong dalam liga UKYA lah memantau itu akan Sarian Terang UKYA number iglo udah kebetulan akhirnya submarine line alang liga Mr. KYF Apromar iglo lagi pasal dengan traffic sampai lagi pasal cuma iglo akhirnya kebetulan akhirnya Suresh Singer Mr. KYF Committee Official alang liga sampai pengurang sampai lagi pasal cuma iglo Lukasen Pangcho UKYA member alang liga pasal dengan traffic sampai lagi pasal cuma iglo Bapak Andrew Hanse, UKYA member, alang lipan setengah yang jadi sampai konstitusi itu. Lizard Singh, UKYA member, alang lipan setengah yang jadi sampai konstitusi itu. Alex Roham, UKYA member, alang lipan setengah yang jadi sampai konstitusi itu. Alang itu betulan, untuk orang milik, alang lipan Vice President UKYA. Masih kembali pun, kita UKYA the United for the Youth Association Association Committee lah belum ada aplikasi seperti itu lah akan kita Mr. yang ada committee dan sistem itu masih alang itu undang si ada sampai hingga hitung 2019 dan 2025 on Mr. KYF ini penglong ke alang itu maju ini lalu mereka pun labat penangan arisor ajan atau kit kapret ang pandong kirang kapangrum madakit hek na cepat langlong itu ma culture itu ma traditional grace lamet lamjong lahay rules kami tunda kacira pula sila bangso aku tak itu turun panglong kapak lang panglong labang ini ngarong pikang jam nasi padu open kami alang itu man this is asa kutungan leader da pun labang itu asa kudung pe masih alang itu man coro part tiga alang itu jongsi abi sampai hubungan kami dengan Mr. KYF cepat hilang lagi dan dia masih kami akan meeting sabik akhir ini lisi kami 2022 ikan kaya bangkula masih alang ini semua kecilan dengan lebar kediri ini kalau ikan jangkau masih cuma tu alang itu alang sesi yang ini alang ini jenis orang itu orang ada di tempat sekali
I can work you out, now you're thinking about something.
Betul-betul ini dressing timong alam ikan steme hanggaikan sampai dengan sejauh ini juga. Kita dressing hancu. Alam ikan steme hanggaikan sampai dengan sejauh ini juga. Betul-betul sunit timong alam ikan steme hanggaikan sampai dengan sejauh ini juga. Kebetulan respon timong alam ikan steme hanggaikan sampai dengan sejauh ini juga. Vijay Singh yang berhasil kami menjadi sampai dengan sejauh ini. lo. Kami kesan lo, pada udah pinten. Ang tega pila nama. Yang samri pula kan jadi kita tak. Pila nama pila nama. Nanti lah bangkit arcik ini ngai kurbi kurbong. Aku nak cakap jok saya. Nami tum sini lah, kurbat sikit lo. Contestant number 1 ha? Nagangkanan mo ang kurbat sikit lo. Contestant number 1. Kuhan lapu kan ha? Kuhan umahagi hayi kan? Lapu kan? Lapu kan? Dan pada di pinggan Pangcing kan? Tapi ceng si lebih ke milih second runners apa yang kan si Pangcing Pompo sehingga ada senjata ni dua editions of Caribbean Festival 2025. Guest is present Mr. KYF 2025 second runners up goes to contestant number 5 je Pompo winning main pocket racing first runner-up. Yes, present, Mr. KPH 2025. First runner-up goes to contestant number 4 phong đề thành song ăn choang ích lắm là bằng số anh ông y cái bây giờ còn gì phần Congratulations to contestant number 40. And thank you so much. Mr. KYF 2025 alam KCC mereka cipahan aku rajak job film aku sini mana itu sini macam ni dah mantap pada film memiliki hang kan singkat dulu dekat TV masih film Mr. KYF 2025 macam apa? Apa itu? Pantas menonton lagi. Sampai, lawan langsung. Repeat. Contestant number 24. Juning ke bang yang winner kena lo okay hai sa harmony de alang kita pun sai lo alang lima step eh hong kai thank you song ke baik pasi juning de lo adam je lo dia alang ni la lama de lama enak lah macam asal alang itu nelo winning asing kanan hingting pakai reaksi parkisan sewa kecil olah do RJ kimenai nai olah amne da tum olah ben abangso yes is present Mr. KYF 2025 ada kita ini lapan kecensi ada macam penonton ada tum kasih alang itu bagi fans fans dan congratulations alang ibu nila kembali asik teman Richard dari alang ibu nila aku baca TikTok film abang aku nila masih 54th editions of KYF 2025 guest is present Mr. KYF 2025 organized by
nili nimitang han proud feel piglo lape nili si chowing tung labangso karbi mante karbi resunim so ronga jelong da so po enunsi Mr. KYF pu labangso ajai mek alang litum nilitum owe kimia tom hala pu platform akime nang people na pot da sin nili nimitang han chi feel nili proud feel olo lapen nili pu nili pai tuman sami nili lapuson nong mi kewan pike nili same ning arong lo lapen nili phan kai ke nanga chirap du nanga chitodun nilipo nilipai financial hin punon lapen kadokave bidi sore kadokave nanga than nang ke mom no pot nilipo nilipai lapen nilitum nilifan nanga support kadokave phanta nili ning aklong pen akero pajer eglo karlo
pining ke nangli si Mr. KYF cuman lo si nangli ke claim pon Karbi society pana lagi pining ke claim pon ning hang ma
nili lagi ning hang big nili Facebook page do nili Facebook page nong same nili methang Karbi jutang jubat lun lam tomo pindeng sumpora hin si nili kai ke lamarjan same nili selampon lape nili kemang nili ning ke hang ge lalo pamo head ladak Mr. KYF along introduction ahutame nili chethan lo ilitum Karbi akhai same angsong aludu nangji punili kematha pen non owe kimia tum phanili aprang ke japon kangtung imithang pindeng sumport lun lam tomo ansuse pangchu ponangji lapen ilitum RDP ponangji pusinili chuningri pon
natenali Karbi anglong rata phan message pingtung ma
about lalo pini nili Karbi anglong rat han message pingtung lalo nili non headlang kaningji lasi mithang pulo ilitum chi pulo jutang halok khera je lamet halok khe chethe kachingro mai lok khele lasi ilitum jutang jubat pindeng sumport lun lam tomo same ansu se ilitum pangchu ponang lang ilitum owe kimi tum same methang pindeng sumport hithi kolat ki ju same methang pindeng sumport kaching thang si ilitum kenang sop lape non owe kimi tum bani ningkang samdo hithi ledam same methang pindeng sumport kaching thang si kathenglong ki onglo lasi non ansu se si ilitum bor iponang lang ansu se si ilitum angsong rung ponang lang
thank you chorolo Karbi anglong life teman ili teman lan apon chipi pot non baji ke thaman dolo yo item program da kecheng na sabso late chat lo ako arve ke jang mane blessing lo isihin ben item matha nam bolo da isi blessing lo iteman item program pachun pamekai aja je fanse blessing nang pilo lasi sabso apor ka dure ke dolo hai tame lan apor ka dure kido penda anapor pini pena Karbi anglong life tumda nangki dodun pot lata isi choro reune choro parpik lo lasi pining 7 edition Mr. KYF kalang lo dolo chun pamika lo aku sir Dr. Tulram Lohangin penta unan laso 51st Mr. KYF angke Karbi Youth Festival long nang kacerap dun alang hin penda kethe pini contribution do hala soin men sitem da joy ke pen pini chun pameka ajar pameka lo apora sabso dure chat busname apor enchet busname chun pameka lo itum program mangke lasi itum dak non kedwan itum committee UKYA hin beno itum Mr. KYF a committee hin beno itum program chun pameka lo ajar pameka lo lason thang si pining anda 51st Karbi Youth Festival long itum Mr. KYF itum long pon lo kai thang si lason non son first Mr. KYF lo ke pining abade talo Mr. Harmony be alang da la so adet lo la so man lo alang dara so de la so manong si haidun lo first Mr. KYF lo inke pinita inke alang si judge angke dodun lo la si it's really a lucky day or night for a lucky year for us so pining son si long pon lo Mr. KYF lake tum pini lo Chonghong terang Mr. KYF lo anang ni
kibang ilan sengkana to menan to lapu
itum yes itum kibang nia sengkan anda klempon bomi fansi boripo unan itum asar Dr. Tuliram Mohang CM sir alang blessing nang pidun bom pen pulote itum ansuse muning mangke ansuse pachunni fansi lapen ansuse akethe pachunni fansi itum ke boripon po
pining ingdeng pokerausi mate pining abang soning kan Mr. KYF nitum ke pamanpon lapen mission botol bokan pen lapen kado kawe media doan lapen niltom nang kecitudun member apan team doan teman kami akhirnya people piklo apor do si kami alang ditum ning chupaning ding pen labang so program ang pun nun thek pot kadua be kami akhirnya pilo lasin itum kedam tang ason taksi non kewang thuji si kami labang so Mr. KYF mate riso yang dumpan aprani poni fan itum an so se ke claim bonji fan itum body polo an so se ke the ke claim poni fan si itum matha polo lapen la solong si tambe nilto malong nang cher abdun kaching hon Dr. Tuliram Hangsa alang li si tambe nitu afan bidi sure pencenglok jakong orang pencenglok nang cher abun po alang li pantame suri surya karom pa jewa nilitum Mr. KYF mate UKYA hin bastame lasinon efrang si tambe kadu kawe riso yang nemban tambe nitum ke mission platform mate ke mission dim ke japoni afan si tambe nitum labangso UKYA mate Mr. KYF atim stambe kecesik pondo an susenon efrang ke mission atwa ke japoni afan si nitum bari pon